Today we're going to be cleaning mold off of seats, which is pretty straightforward, but you need to make sure you wear the proper safety gear. Mold can be really nasty stuff and it can kill you. Make sure you wear a mask that can keep mold from getting to your lungs, and it's a good idea to wear safety goggles and gloves as well. The tools you'll use will depend on the condition of the seat and what kind of seat you have. For example, in this truck, the seats were in good condition and were of cloth material, so I used a big nylon brush. Seats made out of leather or cloth in poor condition may require a softer, more delicate brush. For cloth seats, you're going to want a carpet and upholstery cleaner, but for leather seats, you will of course use a leather cleaner. You will also want one rag per seat to clean up anything that the brush leaves behind. A small detail brush will also be useful for getting into corners. And now for the easy part, actually cleaning the seats. The easiest way to tackle this job is by spraying one seat panel at a time. For example, I'm spraying the base of one seat here. The ideal amount of spray to use differs from product to product, so read the label on the bottle. Using the brush will allow you to work all the dirt and mold out of the seat. Rags don't work because they don't agitate the surface enough. If by the time the foam goes away and you still have mold and dirt in the seat, give it another spray and keep using that brush. Keep doing this until the seat is completely clean. While the surface is still wet from the cleaning product, grab a towel and wipe the seat off. You'll be surprised how dirty it gets. It's a good idea to do this to every seat in the car just to be sure you got all the mold out of it. It's also a good time to change your cabin air filter if your car has one. It will help you filter out the last of the mold floating around inside the car. There you are, your seat is back to normal. Remember, mold can be airborne and invisible. If you feel unsure about how thorough you can get, leave it to a professional. Also, test out any product, tool, or technique you have never tried in an inconspicuous area first, so that you avoid damaging something important. I hope this video made working on your car a little bit easier. Let me know how it went for you in the comments below, or check out one of our other videos. Thanks for watching.